Yo, I got it! Oh my god, I got it locked! Yo guys, back here with another video. I'm here with my girlfriend. Yes sir, my hair looks a little... Nah, I'm just playing. She is taking me to pick up my women Jordan 1s. The silver ones, I don't know the name. She actually hit on sneakers this morning. It's rigged. But yeah, let's go ahead and pick up the shoes, and I'll see you guys when I'm there. Okay, so like I kind of forgot to record the pickup, but we do have the shoes here now. Very nice shoe overall. But before I do get started, thank you guys so much for the support on the Supreme video that I put out yesterday. We got like 600 views first day. Got a couple new subscribers into the channel. If you are new, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you took a W on these today. I did get 2 pairs. One of them has already been sold. Made $85 on it. Very nice shoe. Will these go up? That is the question. Let me tell you, prices on these are around $280 to $310. These could go up in value. Is it worth your time to invest in these? If you get a good price for them, maybe like $260, $270. I do see them picking up value, but it's going to take a lot longer than a normal Jordan 1 due to the fact that the price is already too high. You might want to wait a couple weeks for the prices to settle down if you do want to invest in these. Personally, I wouldn't invest in them because they will take a very long time to gain a significant amount of value, increase in value. But overall, this shoe is very nice, very nice. Would I wear these? Probably not. Other than that, very nice shoe. So this concludes today's video. If you do like videos like these, be sure to drop a like on this video. Let me know if you guys took a W on this today. If you didn't, hey, that's the way things go. I'll see you guys next time on the next video, and see you next time. Peace.